Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Sumborg. Most people call me Sam. I am currently in Fairbanks, Alaska. I was born and raised in Fairbanks, and I am going to school for social work. I recently just declared my major, so I'm super excited about that. I am currently a junior. Um, and just trying to get a few classes in here and there when I can, but I'm taking this class because it is a requirement, one of the requirements. But anyways, as you can see, some of these pictures sliding by, those are a few of my hobbies. In the summer times, I'm at the lake a lot, especially when it's nice out. That's just where I like to be. In the winter times, I love to go snowboarding. I love the outdoors. A big part of my life and one of my favorite hobbies is CrossFit, and that is what I love doing, what keeps me sane. It's good for you, and I love the people around me that I do it with. So that's a big part of my life. But yeah, so another big part of my life is this one right here. She's sleeping in most of these pictures, but this is my wiener dog. She is my everything, and she's a special one. She sucks her blanket at night when she goes to sleep. You can see that here, but she's a special little wiener dog. She's got a sickness, so she's spoiled, that's for sure. But I don't know what I'd do without her. So as for the question, what role or roles does anthropology play? And there's multiple things I could say. I think, for one, according to Clifford, first off, anthropology did not have a good reputation in indigenous communities because of the insensitivity. So I think how it's done is very important, and people have learned a lot in the upcoming or years to come and upcoming years. But I think anthropology is a way to document the past culture as well as the current and future, and it's a way to connect people to their own heritage, and learn the way of living and the way of the culture. And in a sense, it can kind of connect people to themselves, which I think is really important. But it can also just inform a lot of people, like myself, taking this class. So, but I think it looks into the lifestyle and how people live, like, it looks at their traditions and music, their beliefs, and it can compare them to what they were and what they are now, or maybe they're the same. It's traveled all these years, but that would be my answer for the question. So I am excited to get to see all you guys, and I've watched some of your videos. So hello everybody, and excited for the new semester.